So our next step is to take the first 4 ingredients and to use a medium-sized saucepan with a whisk, place it on your stove and start with the heavy whipping cream. You need about 2 cups of the whipping cream. Pour it in. There we are. That's practically a pint, I think. Take that, pour that into the medium-sized saucepan. Next, a cup of the whole milk. You can use the same cup measure. Take that, pour it in. You got your milk and your cream together, give it a bit of a stir. And on to our cup of brown sugar, which we've measured out. Pour that in slowly. It should be packed. Stir that in. Turn the stove on. And lastly, a teaspoon of salt.